While in Shanghai, we also made sure to get some shopping in. On this day, we took the bus to Nanjing Road, which is a popular shopping district. After a morning of shopping, we met up with the rest of my family for an all-you-can-eat hot pot. On our very last full day in Shanghai, we decided to visit Ikea because Victor is from Sweden. And obviously we had to eat lunch here. After a fun time at Ikea, we headed to our last destination, which was Tenhuang Temple. Stay tuned for my next and final video to see how we ended our time in China.